Here's another interesting page that talks about variables. You can see interest principal, we can calculate interest times principal, we can echo those back out, and I've intermingled echo and print here, but once again, when I develop, I 99.9% of the time use echo, and you could substitute echo here for print in almost every case. As we run that, you can see over here that we have the following values. In a future discussion, we'll talk about how could I perhaps format this so it's so many decimal places or whatever. A couple other important variables. There's a whole slew of predefined variables in PHP. And a lot of these variables are stored in what's called a superglobal. And the superglobal is referenced as $_server. These are variables that are predefined for every instance of PHP. So if I want to take a look and see what's in that variable, I'm going to do a printr $_server, and I'll explain the printr function. The printr function just displays the contents of a variable, just like echo. However, in this case, the printr function, this is a special variable. The $_server variable is a special variable. It's what's known as an array, and we'll talk about arrays in a little bit. Now you could see it printed out a bunch of stuff, and it's very hard for us to see that, so let's go ahead and, if you remember your HTML, this will allow us to view the content of that a little bit better. And you can see that every time I load it, it's going back to the index.php page. Then I have to click here. But now it's a little bit more nicely formatted. We can see what these special variables are. Take a look at them. I can see maybe cookie values, the host that I'm currently running on, the remote address that's currently accessing the script. And you can look down through here. Where's the server running at? What's the server's admin email address? What's the server name? The port that it's running on, and this one is very, very popular. What script am I currently running? What time did I request it? So all these are special variables that can be useful to us as we develop our applications. In the next little segment, I'll talk about arrays so we can understand what an array is a little bit better.